So you're welcome back to another interesting video. So I want to teach you how to prepare this pepper soup, so that you can be preparing pepper soup. Why? I want to teach you better to make small pepper soup. So I just bought 1 kilo of meat. Sorry, chicken, turkey. Yeah. So I just want to make just small pepper soup like that. Yeah. So problem is that Bernice is just so clingy these days. She does not want to calm down. Bernice, say hi. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. She doesn't want to calm down. So how am I going to do this now? Let me go and carry wrapper back. I'll be back. So you guys, yesterday I bought this chicken. You want to say hi, guys? I come to the same. Yeah, you want to do jobs. So I bought this turkey. Well, my husband bought this turkey yesterday, but when he came back, I couldn't prepare it. So that's why I'm actually doing it today. I don't want to sit down, I'm cooking. What are you doing there? Want to pour now, right?
I want to use that one.
Excuse me. I will leave that alone. You're not here now. When I punch your leg, that's when you hear. So just small turkey pepper soup. That's what I want to do.
Guys, I want to move this thing because this thing is not okay.
You want to do what?
This thing. It's not pepper soup. Oh, it's not pepper soup.
Then what is it?
It's flour.
It's what?
Flour.
It's pepper soup.
It's pepper soup. What is it? It's pepper soup. My leg.
Sorry, you have to go down so you don't enjoy yourself, okay?
Still, guys, still can't eat yet. Still can't eat yet. So, guys, look at food. I want to use this. Mommy, I want to put this thing.
It's pepper.
It's pepper.
Don't touch.
I'm not touching it.
Better.
I'm done.
I'm going to spank your bum bum, Beverly.
No!
I said I'm going to spank your bum bum.
No! It's too strong. This thing is too strong. I have to carry one. It's for two.
This is my Hennessy.
This is for mine.
I want to put on this. Lift your eye. I don't know. You want to carry your eye? Go and check inside the onion. Children, they are so inquisitive.
We want to put your up in the pepper soup.
Here she's blending pepper. Madam, stop making noise. You guys, I have to season my I'll turn this
Come on, go to the parlor and bring this.
that pepper is so much. She's always sweating now. If I keep her now, she'll catch. If I go on AC for her now, kata. This is my answer. We have to go for shopping, you guys, like for this month. I'm going to spank this girl. I'm going to spank this girl.
I'm cutting this thing.
I didn't send you. Don't cut it. Is there more?
Mommy, I'm cutting this thing.
Don't cut it for me. Thank you.
I should have been.
I don't know. Maybe. It's okay. I didn't send you. Thank you. I just have to do it. Oh, Venice, relax now. I'm hungry. You that want to teach how to cook this pepper soup, Shay, you will not come and stay one place and learn what to do. Shay, okay. Oh.
She's pounding pepper.
Keep that girl away.
Dennis, you should have finished this Nigeria.
Yeah, wash me. Don't cut pepper for me next time. I don't want to eat it.
I'll throw this one.
Yay!
No, just select garlic and ginger to this pepper soup. It's not granite. Venice wants to eat granite. But this is not granite. No, I won't buy granite for you. Okay. The spices, I would have even just blend all this things. I don't even know why I'm pounding it. I actually like to buy my spices like whole. Okay, like I don't buy those ones that they've already blended. But most of the time, I actually use that one in color. Most of the time, I don't get to perceive that smell. You understand? See water. It's okay. Stop shouting. Guys, I just had to crush, like I literally just crushed this pepper soup spice. It's not how I want it though, but see how it's looking. It's not smooth. I actually put a whole lot of spice because I need to drink that water. What is your problem now? Stay one place. This thing I'm cooking is not for everybody though. Not for everybody. Anyway, when I say it's not for everybody, I mean I will say just me and my husband. And of course Elizabeth. See how this guy is wild. I'll put you for back, you don't want to stay. I'll carry you for body, you know. Okay, she wants to sleep. Try. You guys, motherhood is not easy. Motherhood is not easy. But I enjoy it, but it's stressful.
Come and join us. You should come and join us.